Here's how to add and customize text in Affinity. Open your design in Affinity, look at the lower left side of the screen and find the T icon. This is the text tool. Click on it. You have two text modes. Artistic text is for headlines and short text that flows freely. Normal text is for longer body copy that wraps inside a defined box. Switch between them using the toggle at the top of the interface before drawing. Click and drag on your canvas to draw your text box, then start typing. Your text will appear inside the box. To customize your text, highlight it by clicking and dragging across the letters. At the top, you will see controls for font family, font size, bold, italic, color, and alignment. Click any of them to apply changes. To change the color, click the color swatch and pick a new one. To move your text, switch from the Text tool back to the Move tool. It is the arrow icon at the top left of the toolbar. Click your text and drag it anywhere on the canvas. A common mistake is trying to resize the text by dragging the text box corners. This resizes the box, but not the text size itself. Always use the font size field at the top to control how large your text appears. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.